emergency, call 911. Red flag warning remains in effect from 1 p.m. this afternoon to 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday for areas along and west of I-35. Affected area, along and west of the I-35 corridor. Timing, Tuesday afternoon and evening. Winds, south around 10 miles per hour with gusts to 20 miles per hour. Relative humidity, 17 to 24%. Temperatures, ranging from 104 to 110. Impacts, rapid ignition and spread of wildfires is possible due to persistent hot and dry conditions. A red flag warning means that extreme fire weather conditions are either occurring now, or will shortly. A combination of strong winds, low relative humidity, and dry vegetation can contribute to extreme fire behavior. Avoid all outside burning and welding today. Do not toss lit cigarette butts outside. Report wildfires to the nearest fire department or law enforcement office. The current time is 9:02 a.m.